No.
Why?
Disagree.
No,
Specify.
because the
a
brand is
luxury-
diluting their brand name.
Yeah, and a luxury brand is supposed to cater to only a niche market. So if you diffuse it, get it with a come out with a low cost thing, then everyone can afford it. So and that's not the purpose of a luxury brand.
This is basically a dilution of brand equity.
But the
Your
people
niche
who are-
market is getting
Country like
diluted.
India has very population which has low income or middle income. So to target them, for a company it is very necessary to launch a diffusion line because it will get
No, I disagree. It is
Isn't that
not
the concept of
necessary to
luxury
launch
brand
a diffusion line. It can, however, launch products which cater to the same, which might cater to a lower segment, but still be at a higher price as compared to the kind of affordability that segment has. For example, perfumes. That
Yeah, if you
Gucci has
purchase
launched
perfumes, you still feel you're a part of Gucci, even if you can't buy the bag or the apparel.
So perfume is not
See,
diffusing
that's
your brand
what a
equity.
diffusion line actually serves the purpose. Let's say if Armani, under the name Giorgio Armani, offers bespoke garments, under the name Armani Exchange, they are offering not bespoke garments but basic t-shirts, basic shirts at an affordable price. As well as if you see the whole global scenario, what happens is basically a designer brand has a very low turnover as compared to the diffusion lines that have been offered by them, and those diffusion lines attribute their turnover towards the mass production that they have as well as the mass consumption that they receive. That's why launching a diffusion line not only gives you monetary benefit but also it brings you down to a lot of people who aspire to be the part of the brand. Plus,
So basically, there are two things that a company can have. One is a brand image, and two is a turnover. There is a trade-off between these two things. So basically,
see, where I would like to disagree is that
As a customer, we are taking the customer perspective, not the business perspective. So let's get to the point.
even if we do take the business perspective and if we do even consider whether the brand value will liquidate,
developing a haute couture
Would go-
itself is a very
see,
cumbersome task.
why I
It
do
gets so
say
many permissions
why I
and
do
everything.
say that the brand value would not go down is because when there is a diffusion line, it altogether has a different name. Plus the products offered in the diffusion line are not at all similar to the bespoke garments that have been offered in the luxury brand.
Everybody knows that if a haute couture is being developed, it is being developed for a specific consumer, and after getting through a number of cumbersome activities, these haute couture designs are actually passed. So if a designer, from designer's point perspective, if a company has to establish a name in the mass market, it needs to actually come up with a diffusion line. Otherwise, people won't be able to know about
it
the
increases the
brand.
visibility
Know about
of
it.
the brand.
Exactly.
So that's about the company. If we talk about just a customer, then it would depend whether you are from a higher segment or from a middle to upper segment.
even if
They
you-
won't
A
be
middle
getting the
class
value
person
for
would definitely
won't be
want a
getting the
diffusion
product
line for them.
for their value.
See,
which
even if
they
we
have
do
given.
consider the upper segment, which might not like the diffusion line, first of all, the company is not actually offering the same apparel which they are offering to the upper segment in their diffusion line. The first thing is that. So, the things that the upper segment would have from the brand are already bespoke and will always be bespoke because they are not part of the diffusion
But at
line.
the same time, what a brand really wants is the brand name, and what
Of course,
the customer
that's what
wants is
that is where the concept of lines. If you're talking, that is where, as far as the brand name is concerned, that is where.
See, when you see, you take Versace, they have Versace, which is their lower end brand. So it's marketed in a different way and it's positioned towards, it's targeted.
But if
Because
you
that is
consider
where
a
the
simple
concept of
luxury
product lines come in.
consuming customer, a simple luxury customer would not want somebody who's he would not want another person who is slightly lower when it comes to your income earning capacity. Would
That's
not want
that's
that
that's
because
where the
same
concept
brand
of product
value.
lines
It is
actually
not
come
about
in.
the brand value, it is about the brand name.
Of course, that's where the concept of product lines actually come in. If let's say, of course, I would not, if I can afford something and there is a person who is not able to afford something, I would not like him to afford that thing to do a diffusion line, and that's where the concept of product lines come in. If through Giorgio Armani I can afford something which Armani is offering me, the same person won't be able to afford through a diffusion line, let's say Armani Jeans or Armani Exchange. The products are totally different. So my exclusivity towards the products, my the bespoke characteristic of that product remains with me, as well as I do not feel being compared to a person belonging to the lower strata.
Let's come to
Monetary society.
So let's come to the conclusion now.
If you are consumer.
Your review about diffusion line, and do you accept the concept, and do you accept the concept of diffusion line or not for a designer high-end luxury brand?
No, I don't accept it because I feel that they do a segmentation based on the demographic of a consumer and they should maintain the uniqueness that they want to establish to their brand.
I believe if you look at the market from consumer's point of view, like entirely from the consumer's point of view, how many times even a luxury customer will get something so probably expensive made. Probably for a special occasion you will approach a designer and get something made. But these diffusion lines, they are targeting the entire consumer market probably, and everybody goes to them. Like for example, you take the example of Anita Dongre exclusive. We know there's Anita Dongre exclusive, but anybody will probably go to Anita Dongre exclusive only for some special occasion. But to add and to global taste, almost everybody from the entire Indian market goes, even the luxury customers, even the
Agree for the diffusion.
So yeah, diffusion should be.
I disagree because at the end of the day, a luxury brand is supposed to cater to only a very narrow segment of the market, and they should remain like that and not expand too much. So yeah, I disagree with diffusion.
Same here, even I disagree with the concept of diffusion line because if I as a person, I'm affording a trench coat from Burberry that's worth rupees 30 or 35 grand, and I see a person wearing a trench coat of the same brand, Burberry, but he or she paid 10 or 15 grand for it. The brand value in my mind of Burberry would completely diminish.
Disagree. Because the luxury customer always wanted exclusivity.
I do agree with the fact because diffusion line offers the products with a totally different name, maintaining the exclusivity of the bespoke line itself, as well as what happens in the diffusion line is that you are able to cater to a larger market. Plus, it helps in the brand recognition as well as in monetary turnover.
I agree with the diffusion line because diffusion line mostly deals with the knockoff market firstly because to avoid cheap copies, and it's better to market that thing in diffusion line rather than selling cheap copies and degrading the brand very badly.
I do agree with the diffusion line. It brings visibility to the brand and it makes it affordable for different segments, which is at the end of the day increasing the brand equity for the brand.
खत्म हो गया